And there we go. Welcome to EngageVR. This is an instructional design and training and education software in virtual reality. This gives the designer, myself or yourselves, the ability to set up different environments for your learners to work in. Currently, we're in a very familiar lecture hall format. I've chosen this because it's familiar and it's easy, and I am currently being the sage on the stage, so we're doing it this way. What I can tell you is that we can do all kinds of things within EngageVR. Right now, I'm recording this session, and at some point, I'm going to switch out, and you're going to see this session from my perspective. Engage has several different methods and several different forms, lots of effects that we can add to it, lots of scenarios, lots of layouts, lots of places. The lecture hall, again, I chose it because it's a standard format for a university setting. There are many others. If you're engaged and you're using the Pro version, there are even more options. Again, I just chose something that was familiar since I'm talking to all of you like this. Thank you, and we're going to move on. EngageVR has lots of core features that instructional designers are looking for. Most importantly, we can set up our own quizzes and forms inside the application. Our users can fill out a pre-training survey or questionnaire and do a post-survey quiz test or whatever thing, and the data will be brought back to us immediately. There are also lots of different locations, not just the lecture hall, but several other locations. I have another video available. If you watch that, you'll see more of those. Lots of interactive objects. There are 3D objects that are available everywhere. There's content everywhere. They're very easy to drop into whatever you're doing. Very easy for your students to do as well. The menus are very simple in VR. All you do is hit a button and they come up, and you can select different menus. And recording is very simple. It stores to your desktop. It stores, or you can store it up on the cloud, and you can go from there. It's very easy to use. It's very intuitive. For project-based learning for students, this is an amazing tool. For training in the corporate world, this is also an amazing tool. You can work on virtually any kind of disaster or specialized training that is available. And again, this is another menu. You don't necessarily have to use the tried and true Vive controls or the Oculus controllers that are down there on the bottom. You can use keyboard and mouse, or you can use an Xbox gamepad, which is a very simple way of using it for students, really. They're very used to those kinds of controls. Again, the menu function is very simple and very easy to use. The next couple pictures are from training exercises in the medical field, and they are interesting. This is the trainees perspective, and you can see that there is sutures or scissors there. I'm not really a medical professional, so I don't know. And they're in some sort of OR. And all these objects are usable and can be moved and operated. And this is from the audience perspective, and this is obviously a child inside of a neonatal something or other. Again, I'm not a medical professional, so I don't know. I encourage you all to watch the other video I have. I will try to attach a link either on this video or in the commentary on YouTube. It is much longer, but it is a much more in-depth and detail. Thank you very much, and have a good day.